Dubai has taken a major leap into the future with the launch of its first drone delivery service, a pioneering initiative that positions the emirate as a global leader in innovative logistics and smart urban solutions. Operated by Keeta Drone, the service has started in Dubai Silicon Oasis, utilizing cutting-edge technology to deliver food, medicine, and essential items efficiently and reliably. Keeta Drone, a subsidiary of China's Meituan, has been awarded the region's first drone delivery license by the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority. With 6 drones operating across 4 routes in Dubai Silicon Oasis, this service is set to redefine how goods are transported, addressing challenges such as traffic congestion and ensuring timely deliveries. The initiative has been made possible through partnerships with organizations like Fakih University Hospital, Americana, and RIT Dubai. These collaborations pave the way for high-priority services, such as the rapid delivery of medical supplies and emergency assistance. The service's launch was marked by a historic first order, placed and delivered under the leadership of Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai. This milestone emphasizes Dubai's readiness to embrace transformative technology for practical applications. By 2030, the drone delivery service is expected to cover 1/3 of Dubai, with plans for citywide expansion. The project aligns with Dubai's economic agenda, D33, aiming to position the city among the top 3 urban economies globally. The initiative underscores the city's focus on sustainability, safety, and technological excellence. With its roots in China, where it operates 53 routes and has completed over 400,000 deliveries, Keeta Drone brings a wealth of experience to Dubai. Its success in adapting to local challenges, including extreme weather and legal requirements, ensures the service's reliability and scalability. A future-ready lifestyle. As Dubai continues to expand its smart city infrastructure, drone delivery is set to become an integral part of everyday life. The combination of speed, efficiency, and sustainability ensures this service will revolutionize how goods are delivered, making Dubai a global leader in urban innovation. Dubai's embrace of drone technology sets a benchmark for other cities in the GCC and beyond. By seamlessly integrating advanced mobility solutions into its infrastructure, the city is not just adopting the future, it's shaping it.